YouTube. So today we're going to be taking off the front bumper and underneath and putting on a body kit. So I got a time lapse and we'll get to taking it off. So first things first, we got to take off the right there like 10 mil bolts that cover the ducting for the coolant, so you can get at the bolts behind it. So let's get that off. I didn't realize at the time, but the retaining clip on that bolt is actually broken. So I spent like, I don't know, 20 minutes trying to get that stupid thing off, and it's just, I should have just looked under the car. But yeah, you might see me struggle with that for a little while. So, in order to take this off, it is a bitch. But you have 1, 2, 3, if it'll focus, 3 10 mil bolts on the sides. So it looks like from the front of the car. Try to put this down so you can see a good angle of it. You can see that's the front. That's the lip that rides along it. And then you have all of these bolts on top as well. But you have to take off the cooler, like where the radiator sits. It forces the air into the radiator from underneath. You take this cover off, which sits like, if I can show you, it sits like right kind of like that. And then you have to take off the under grill, which is just a bunch of Phillips heads and one bolt there should be. And then you gotta take off the other rubber, which is the under facelift, and that's just a bunch of pull clips that you can pull out. And now we can take the FB bumper off. Get this off. I guess I want you to put new ones in. There's no actual way to get behind the bumper, from what I could tell, to get those clips off. You have to break them or pull them out so that they break, and then you just put new ones in. There's no way I could just, like, I would need a special needle nose plier that I just don't have, and maybe to pinch them down and get them in, but I couldn't figure it out.